Vlogmas. So in this video, I want to share with you some gift ideas, some last minute gift ideas that you can find already in your home. Share some last minute gift ideas when you're in a pinch, when you're in a hurry, and you don't have time to run by the store. You got some things figured out. I got this idea because my husband comes home and he's like, oh yeah, by the way, in my mind, when he get on my nerve, that's what he's at, like, oh yeah, by the way, we're doing gift exchange tomorrow. Tomorrow like the next day? Tomorrow like today the 13th and you need it the 14th? Tomorrow, is that the tomorrow week? Okay. Sir, it's 6 o'clock at night. It's 6 o'clock at night. I go to bed at 7:30. I ain't got time to argue with you. That is the conversation, okay? So I had to figure it out. So I was like, you know what? Let me share with the good people. Let me share with my friends and let them know it can be done. Is it annoying? Yes. If you a brat like me that don't like to, share your things, is it annoying? Absolutely. But it can be done. It can be done. Okay, so gift idea number one that you can probably find in your home is Bath and Body Works products. If you like me, when they come on sale, when they have the buy two, get two free, buy three, get three free, buy $40, you get $10, when they have all that good stuff going on, boop, I'm going to get it. I'm either logging in or I'm running to the store. I'm going to get it. So I have an overflow. I have an overflow of Bath and Body Works skincare, I'm not, as you can see, I stay ashy. I don't really buy the lotions and perfume, but I'm down for the body wash. Their Aroma Care line. Listen, burn that matching candle with them bubble baths, with the bath wash. Okay, relax. That's not what this video about, man. Focus. Okay. The Bath and Body Works products, you probably got a bunch of them that if you have to, you can give away as a gift. So, try to find a matching set. Go grab a Christmas bag that you done went and brought like 20 of them from the dollar store because you stockpiling them. Or go get a nice pretty one that you didn't save from last year. Somebody gave you, you was like, oh, it's a nice Christmas bag. Let me save that. Go grab that one. I know I ain't the only one. Go grab that. Go grab some tissue paper. Boom, boom, boom. Now listen, I said grab it from your unused stock. Don't be going in the shower and grabbing the one in the shower because you like, oh, I only got a little bit. I only used a little bit. No, ma'am. Get unused in your stockpile, and boom, you got a gift. Okay, the second gift idea that's in your home, it might sting a little. If you're a brat like me, it might sting a little. But when you're in a pinch, and your back is up against the wall, you gotta do what you gotta do. Go in your closet, look for something that already have the tags on, okay? Of course, if you know the person, if you know the person's size, if you can guesstimate the person's size, of course. But go in your closet, find something nice, something, fairly simple enough, that's universally liked. Wrap that thing on up. Go ahead, wrap it up. Yep. It's thing, not sting. It's thing. But go ahead. You remember, we in a pinch. Go ahead, wrap it up. All right, same thing. Go grab one of them Christmas boxes you've been hoarding, or go grab one of them Christmas bags. Put a little tissue paper on it. Okay. Again, though, we in a pinch. We ain't trifling. Please, please make sure it's new, people. It got to be brand new, tags attached. Okay. But y'all my people. I'm sure y'all got plenty in your closet, just like me. Also, on my little hunt for a Christmas present, I realized Victoria's Secret be getting me with the overstock, overpile of pajamas. Like, I have so many Victoria's Secret pajama sets that I have not worn yet, that is still wrapped in this little production paper. But hey, if I'm in a pinch, I got a present. My next in-home last minute gift idea is for bougie coffee drinkers like me, okay? I'm not a snob about a lot of things, okay? But I wear that badge with pride. I am a coffee snob, okay? And I will wear that with pride. I am a coffee snob. So this gift I promise you, it will work. So what you do, now I go to Starbucks shamefully too much. So because of that, you earn rewards, points. They call them rewards, yes. So you earn rewards where if you get a certain amount, you can redeem them for either a free drink or extras in your drink, or if you save enough, you can even get a free cup. So what I do, I save them for the cups. Why? Because I got issues. I don't know why I think I need 1,000,012 coffee cups. However, not the point, not the video. I do. So I have a bunch of new Starbucks cups. And because I can't get up every day if I plan to stay home, I also hoard K-cups. So what you do, you get to the gift idea, Rakita. I'm there. I'm there. So what you do is you go in your cupboard, you find an unused, still wrapped, paper still in the can, unused coffee cup, nice one, You grab an unopened box of K-cups, put it in that Christmas bag, boom. There you go. What the problem is, you got a gift. Didn't even leave your house. Didn't have to put your coat on. Matter of fact, while we're talking about coats, did you see my winter coat video? My 5 best winter coats? I think I even put 7 in there. I'm gonna leave that video somewhere up there. Shameless plug. Shameless plug. Moving on. So recently, Sephora has been doing, this 20% off sale. They had their Rouge and annuals. So I got an influx of beauty products. So another last minute gift idea is go to your vanity, go to where you keep your beauty products, your skincare, find, and I know y'all like, Ricky, we get it, unused, we get it. But sometimes when it's important, you gotta keep reiterating. Get an unused beauty product, okay? And put it with, the routine, put it in the bag. Now, again, if you like me and you like good skincare, great skincare, which means probably expensive skincare, that might sting a little bit too, because it might be expensive. So depending on who this last minute gift for, because it's for like a coworker at your husband's job, that ain't happening. If that's the case, then this next last minute gift idea at home will work just fine. So the last minute gift idea is candy. Holiday festive candy. So around the holidays, I take, candy, festive candy, the, furniture chocolates and stuff, the Godivas and stuff, and I use it as decoration in my home and to-go snacks. You know, you gotta go from upstairs to downstairs, you see one, grab one to go. But I use candy to decorate with. So what you do, you take either a nice small gift bag, or I get those tins every year from the dollar store when I'm, you know, going for my hoarding expedition for Christmas bags, wrapping paper, all that stuff. So grab one of them, you know, decorate the bottom with a little tissue paper, maybe some festive string, you know, get it cute and stuff. Pour the candy in the tin, preferably the little bit more expensive chocolate, the little bit more fancy chocolate. You know, close that thing on up, put a little Christmas bow on it. Y'all could probably finish the rest. Put it in the Christmas bag, and there you go. A nice, inexpensive, last-minute gift idea that you didn't even leave the house for. That is it, good people. Those are my last-minute gift ideas that's already in your home. If you have any ideas that I can use, because my husband always pulling stuff like that. He always pulling stuff like that on me. So if you have any gift ideas that you can share with me, let me know. You know I appreciate it. And as always, thank you so much for the support. I always appreciate that as well. If you haven't already, please hit the subscribe button and turn on those notifications. You can keep up with your girl all over social media. I am TikTok, Facebook, Instagram, Rakita's Closet, everywhere. Also, if you haven't already, you can find more information about me or any video at www.rakitascloset.com. Y'all are the real MVPs, and I will see you guys tomorrow. Okay, bye!